Today, I'm going to show you how to install Teamviewer on an Android phone in a simple and clear way. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Teamviewer and look for the official app published by Teamviewer. Now, tap on the app and click Install. Wait a few seconds while it downloads and installs on your phone. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. The first time you open it, you may need to accept some permissions, like screen access, depending on how you plan to use it. After that, you'll see the main screen where you can enter a partner ID. This is the ID of the device you want to connect to. Type the ID, tap Remote Control, and then enter the password of the other device. In a few seconds, you'll be connected and able to control the computer directly from your phone. If you want to access your phone remotely, you may need to install an additional app like Teamviewer Quick Support. And that's it. Now you know how to install and start using Teamviewer on your Android phone quickly and easily.